Assalamualaikum and greeting everyone. My name is Ameera Binti Rosmizi from UiTM Jengke, Pahang. In this video, I'm going to explain regarding the communication and animal behavior, which are small cloud otter and crab-eating macaque. Here is the table of content that I will be discussed further. The objective for this field trip and video presentation is to observe the behavior of small cloud otter and crab-eating macaque during their showtime and rest time. The method used to observe the animals is scan sampling method. The animals were observed for about 20 minutes. There are a few behavior of animals were identified. The study was carried out at Zoo Teruntum, Kuantan, Pahang. The behavior of the animal have been identified by the consist of a group of small cloud otter, which the group have 7 adult and 3 adolescent. Let's go through with small cloud otter. Their scientific name is Ionic Cinerea. Their lifespan is about 12 until 20 years old. They are usually found in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, and Philippines. For the adults they are usually weigh for about 4.5 kg. Small cloud otter also have dark brown fur above and a lighter fur below. The fur that are water repellent. The small cloud otter also highly intelligent and highly social. For the results and discussion, the first behavior that has been identified for otter is vocalizing behavior. The small cloud otter vocalizing when communicate to each other. From this observation, the animals are using their vocalizing behavior to beg for food from the tourists. Based on the graph, there is an increasing number for the first 10 minutes and decrease for the next 10 minutes. This is because of the otter have been tired to communicate and begging for the food. For the second behavior that has been identified for grooming behavior. In the graph shown that there is an increasing number for grooming behavior for the non-social behavior. This is because of the otter prefer more grooming by own self than grooming with the help from the others. Besides, peeing and pooping are also one of the small cloud otter behavior. The otter are often peeing and pooping at the same time with their groups after they have been spending their time in water. Based on the graph, it shown that the otter are using their social behavior for peeing and pooping. Moreover, most of the otter are swimming and jumping either in pairing or grouping in the water, but some of the otter are swimming alone while the other of the otter are resting. There is an increasing number of frequency for social behavior, which are the otters are swimming in grouping more than alone. This is because of the otters are triggered to the tourists and they think that the tourists might be harm them if they are alone. However, resting and rolling are the behaviors of the otter that has been identified. The otter are practice their social behavior while resting. They are resting and scratching their body by rolling on the sand. Based on the graph, it states that the increasing frequency in resting and rolling among the otter for about 20 minutes. Next, the study was carried out at Pantai Teluk Cempedak, Kuantan, Pahang. The behavior of the animals have been identified by the consist of small group of macaques that have 6 adults and 2 adolescents and 2 babies. For the crab-eating macaque, their scientific name is Macaque fascicularis. Their lifespan is about 25 until 37 years. They usually found in Southeast Asia from Burma to Philippines and southward through Indochina, Malaysia, and Indonesia. For the weight for the males is 5 until 9 kilograms, while for the females is 3 until 6 kilograms. It also known as long-tailed macaque. The macaque also have upper parts of the body are dark brown with light golden tips. For the males usually have mustache and cheek whiskers, while females only have cheek whiskers. For the first behavior that has been identified by macaques is a grooming behavior. The social behavior is the macaques is helping each other for the grooming. For the non-social behavior, the macaque stretching its own body by using their hands or legs. In addition, they are also performing the eating and drinking behavior. The macaque eating peanuts from the tourists and drinking fruit juice that is stole from the people nearby. Based on the graph, the macaque eating and drinking more for the first 10 minutes and decrease for the next 10 minutes. Furthermore, the macaques also performing carrying infant behavior. For the social behavior, the adults are protecting the mother who carrying their babies on the chest from the tourists. For the non-social behavior, the mother carrying the infant on its chest and sitting a little bit far from the tourists. However, they are also performing social behavior in climbing. The macaques climbing on the trees in grouping with their relative, and they are also chasing to each other on the rocks. Based on the graph, the macaques are actively for the 15 minutes and become inactively on the 20 minutes. This is because of they are tired from climbing and chasing to each other. For the resting behavior, the macaques are performing social behavior and non-social behavior. For the social behavior, the macaques resting at the same time on the rocks, and for the non-social behavior, some of the macaques are resting alone far away from the others. In a nutshell, from this field trip, I can observe that there are significant differences between social behavior and non-social behavior among the small cloud otter and the crab-eating macaque. I hope this video can help you in understanding more in communication and animal behaviors among the otter and macaque.